Hello, this is Liz with DC Digital, and today I'm demonstrating a special version of our DC-40N T-down-up static. And in this video, I'll first go over how to use the product and then follow up with hardware and features, and I'll also explain what makes it different from our standard model throughout the video. So this specific version is going to be used as a threshold timer for a fire department. So as soon as they receive a call, it'll start the up timer, and when it reaches a preset threshold time, it'll beep for 3 seconds and turn on the ANDON light. The ANDON light will stay on until the timer is reset. And this is going to be used as a goal time for the firemen to respond to the fire. And because it continues counting up, if they are not responding within the goal time, they'll know exactly how long it took them to respond so that they can adjust their routine to be within the goal time in the future. So to use it, there's going to be a MAC address sticker on the back of the case. So what you'll do is pull up IP setup on your computer and find the MAC address that matches the back of the case and click Launch Web Page. And it'll pull up a web page that has a place to enter a command to the display, and then it also has a chart of commands that the display will recognize. So the threshold setting is not on this web page because that is not a standard requested feature. So to set the threshold, you'll type in TH, and then we'll type in 1 after the TH, and that will turn the buzzer on when the threshold time is reached. So I'll type in 0010. And that will set it for 10 seconds. So it sets minute, minute, second, second after the TH1. So it didn't start counting up, but the light went off. That's because the display will pull up the up timer display by default when it turns on, and the threshold value is set to 0 by default. So that's why the light was on. Alright, so let's start the up timer. So I'll type in TU10000, and it'll start the timer counting up. So you can see the buzzer went off for 3 seconds, and the light is on, and it's still counting up. So I'll type in TU20000 to stop the timer. You can see I stopped it after 26 seconds. And I'm going to show you another protocol that's unique to this display. So TH00010. And this will set the same threshold time, but it will not turn on the buzzer when the threshold value is reached. So TU and then 10000. It starts counting up the same. And you can see that the light comes on after it reaches the threshold value and continues to be on until the timer is reset. And I just typed in TU00000, so it resets the time for 0 but does not start the timer. So then this also has the same features or the same display settings as our standard DC-40N T-down-up static. So it will show time of day clock, count up timer, countdown timer, and static number display. The only thing that's different is the addition of a threshold timer. Alright, so things that it comes with that the standard product does not. It has the ANDON light and the buzzer. And the buzzer is a DC-EOPB high. and it's adjustable volume from 85 to 95 decibels. And it also comes with a PoE power connection. Normally you would get a 12-volt power adapter with a coax. The fire department wanted us to use a power over Ethernet connection, so this wire is going to be sending both data and power to the display. And as far as the standard hardware goes, it's going to be a 4-inch red segmented LED display. The case is going to be powder-coated aluminum. It's going to be mounted with teardrop-shaped knockouts in the back, or you could use rubber feet on the bottom of the display if you would like to just set it on a desktop. And something else that we did that's a little bit different is we sprayed the electronics on the inside with conformal coating to protect against humidity. And normally that is not something we do with this size of timer or display. Normally we reserve the conformal coating for either special request or our larger outdoor rated displays like some of our DC-60s and 80s and play clocks. So the only connection that you'll need to make is the power connection right here. Just make sure you have a injector or an injector that'll give both data and power to the display. And I think that's it. So all of our products are manufactured and assembled at our location in Carlisle, Ohio. So if you like this product and want to order it, or if you have any questions about how we can customize this or anything else on our website for your specific needs, please contact us using the link in the description. And again, this has been Liz with DC Digital demonstrating a special version of our DC-40N T down up static. Thank you.